Most modern robotic joints tell the same story. Space is tight. That's why countless robots rely on AksIM, the proven ultra-thin absolute encoder trusted worldwide. As humanoid and other advanced robots push the boundaries of integration, we're here to support that progress. I'm Miran Domainko, Product Manager for the AksIM encoder family, and I'm happy to introduce the AksIM Dual. It integrates two absolute encoders into a single ultra-thin package. For robot builders, this means fewer components, simpler cabling and smaller joints, all while relying on the proven AksIM technology. This two-in-one solution provides motor and joint feedback in a single device, while keeping everything that makes AksIM so successful: high performance, proven reliability, and resistance to mechanical drifts that may occur over time. Its low profile and excellent inner to outer diameter ratio fit a wide range of robotic joint sizes. To make integration easier, we designed AksIM Dual with flexibility in mind. It's available with a standard or a board-to-board connector for direct integration with the servo drive. And as always, we are here for design collaborations, ready to adapt our technology to your specific needs. Whatever your challenge, we're ready to solve it together.